Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up time limits for apps on Android phones. So if you do not want people or maybe people you are managing your phone for in order to limit their screen time for certain apps like the browser, for example, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is just scroll up on the home screen and then select the settings button. And then you want to select apps. And then under general, you want to select screen time. And then you want to scroll down and then locate the app that you want to set up a limit for. And you may have to go underneath where it says show all apps if you don't see them here immediately. And then under settings, you want to select the app timer. And then at this point, go ahead and select the little scroll here. You can just scroll and adjust how much time you want to be allowed on the app per day. And the limit will be reset at midnight. You would select OK to save the change, and that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.